You may know NASA for its space and rockets being launched all the way up to space, but a person named Butch Wilmore has went up to space and has been hearing mysterious noises through the speaker in space. Here is the whole conversation he had with NASA.
There's a strange noise coming through the speaker.
We can configure that, Butch. Give us a minute and I'll call you back when it's ready. Alright, Butch, that one came through. It was kind of like a pulsing noise, almost like a sonar ping.
Yeah, I'll do it one more time and I'll let y'all scratch your heads and see if you can figure out what's going on. Here we go.
Pretty creepy, right? But other people think, and NASA actually thinks this too, that the strange noise is just audio feedback from Butch talking through the speakers. What do you think this is?